Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at finding the coordinates of the vertex of this following quadratic equation, which creates a parabola. That's our U shape. So we're going to be looking for the line that goes right down the middle. Now, in order to do that, we're going to start by finding the x value of the vertex, which is the axis of symmetry. So we could start with the x equals negative b over 2a. This negative b just means we're negating the b value. Well, this b value is a negative 12. So since that's a negative 12, it's actually going to be a negative 12 is 12 over, and then 2 times the a value. Well, the a value is 1 in this specific example. So we're going to put 2 times 1. And we finished working this out. That's going to be 12 divided by 2, which is 6. Well, what we know is that the coordinate, the x value, is going to be 6. What we need to figure out is the y value. Well, right here, it tells you that y is equal to the x value squared minus 12 times the x value plus 32. So we're just going to plug x in here. So it's just going to be y equals, and then we're going to plug in that 6. All right, and then that's going to get squared minus 12, and then again times 6, and then plus 32. Well, when we work that out, we see that we have y equals 36 minus 72 plus 32. All right, so when you work that out, you have 36 plus 32, that's actually going to be 68, minus 72, and that's going to be negative 4. So the y value equals negative 4. So 6, negative 4 is going to be the coordinates of the vertex of this parabola. So now let's take a look at the graph of the function. Remember that the equation was y equals x squared minus 12x plus 32. When you find the vertex, we started, remember, with the axis of symmetry, and we said that was x equals 6. Well, this is the axis of symmetry. Right here, it goes right down, the middle of the parabola where the left side and the right side are equal, all right? And then the vertex, which you see right here, and that is at 6, negative 4. And so you can see where, when you're finding the vertex, you start with that axis of symmetry, and then you plug in that x value to see what the y value is of the vertex. Okay, that's a quick review of finding vertex from standard form.